effort to document all the different streets in Macau. This is another one, Rua das Acacias, Rubras. Probably a flower name. Just to give you some reference to where we are. Venetian Casino, Galaxy Casino is straight ahead, 100% straight ahead. And this is kind of a factory area. I'll tell you about over here too, one Oasis. And then we're, this street goes along Koloan, along these mountains right here. And then the beaches are right down that way. So let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so there's our street sign. Down that way it goes to Koloan beaches. And we're gonna walk down this street. We're gonna be following kind of this industrial factory kind of stuff. And that's kind of why I want to document it, because all of this would be different someday. Because someday, like this one Oasis right here has a lot of beautiful apartments, and they're building some bike paths stuff in here too. And I wouldn't be surprised if there's a day where all these factories might be converted into residential apartments, because the real estate here is kind of prime. There's one Oasis right there. I think there's some roads that go into that. So yeah, straight ahead, this goes to Galaxy, but then if we like if we could go over that way, the sunset direction, that goes to the ocean. There's like a yacht club over there. So a lot of people who have their private yachts or boats can dock there. This is like a little factory. These are all the same things. So anyways, I'm gonna get a shot of that water in a minute. I'll also tell you more about one Oasis. One Oasis has like big, massive 3 or 4 bedroom places with nice kitchens and everything like that. This looks like a car, something or another. And it has like, you know, big like parking spaces. There's just a lot of spaces for families in particular. That's the waterway down that way. So right over there is a yacht club, just a little bit that way. We'll just keep documenting our street. Those are all these hiking trails up in there. So why this might be more popular in the future is because there's our Target Street right there. Because someday there'll be a day where this would be very desirable, because we're fairly close to the Cotai Strip where all the casinos are at, and we could actually see some casinos straight ahead. So they're actually within like a bicycle distance. Anyways, you could walk as well, but so yeah, I think it's just a matter of time, and this real estate will probably be converted into residential apartments. That's kind of a cool looking tree. If you're curious about these trees, what they're all about, you can just click on this little QR code with your phone. Maybe put it in the comments if you do that. Let me know. A lot of these trees have these streets in this area have these unusual names named after like exotic flowers from, you know, Mozambique and Angola, different Portuguese parts of the previous Portugal colonies, I guess is the word. But they also have, I'm curious about the Chinese name as well. I'll look it up later on AI. But these streets, all the streets also have a Portuguese name, an AI name, or a Chinese name. And sometimes they're the same and sometimes they're different. These streets are void of people, you know, because they're basically just factory workers. So people will park, probably connected to the factories. And over there is an international school. You can see it right there, the brown buildings over there. We're still on our Target Street, and I just want to document the whole thing because I'm kind of also filming a little bit for the future. So someday all these streets will have different things on them. Right here, there's some people on their bikes because they created some bike paths in here. I'll show you those in a moment. So right here, you can see this. It's a reserve for bicycles. So they actually created a bicycle lane that connects these apartments, and so I guess it goes there, and I guess it goes across like that, and it goes to those, and it kind of meanders around a little bit. So maybe this street that we're on is not part of it, but actually these streets in general would be good for bigger park lanes, you know, really, because most people just park down in this area more than anything. Okay, one oasis over there. Definitely different types of trees in this area. I wonder if these are the Acacias rubias. I'll give you another opportunity to QR code that and let me know. Germany pharmaceutical company. One oasis right there. Our target street right here. And I do wonder if this tree is that flower name. I'm assuming that's a flower name. We're just going to go all the way to the end. There's some weeds in there that's kind of interesting. Okay, Macau University of Science and Technology. So you can see Must University right there. I think that's just it says a technology center, innovation and technology center. So the campus is in a different location, but maybe they do some kind of lab work in that area. Beautiful flowers. Beautiful flowers. We're almost at the end of the street. Yeah, so my goal is to have a record of all these streets in 2026. And I've been starting since 2019. And so this one will complete this street, and I probably won't come down here again until someday when it has some bigger, much bigger changes. But at least I had it recorded this time, and it's been looking pretty much like it does right now for quite some time. Okay. So we'll come to the end. So yeah, the waterway is directly that way, so we're basically parallel with the ocean. And then that's all of the one oasis right there. And those are some other buildings in Colorado as well. There's hospitals over there, and more residential apartment buildings as well. And on that note, we'll end our video.